Hello YouTube, I'm Kaleb, and today I'll be investigating some secrets that might be lurking in the basement of the CTE building. I got my cameraman with me here, Alex, just in case something happens. I want to make sure that this is on camera, because if anything bad happens, the world needs to know what is down there. Come on. That's the quiet, guys. I see. We are entering the first corridor here, the last corridor, my last glimpse of light before I go down. Before this, after this, there's no turning back. They come on the koi pond here. They say it's just koi. I think there's something a little more there, but that's not for today. No turning back from this point. The full set. I'm about to enter the basement of the CT building through these doors. The construction class is to the right. But that's not what we're here for. What we're here for is deeper. Come on, let's get through here. This is the point of no return. Well, I guess there's really no turning back now. We gotta keep looking, come on. We got some generators here. Some people call them generators. I call them square D company. I don't know what to do. They look angry. Because of the security down there, we're not gonna check down here. Yeah, they're still there. We're going down this way. Go down this way. Where's that? The masks are in trees. What are you doing? Get out! What's he doing? What's he still doing? What's he still doing? Yeah, no, you're safe. You're on your own. You're on your own, buddy. You made it. Well, I guess now we know what's down there. So, oh no. Well, I guess the world gets to know now what's down there. That's in the basement CT building. Thanks for watching.